everybody, it's Jake, your HASA resident pool expert, and before you dive in, let's talk about how to keep your pool clean all season long. Algae is not something that you want to see in your pool. Algae can make its way into your pool through a number of ways, including soil, grass, leaves, and dust. Green algae is the most common and can turn your pool from clear blue to murky green in just one day.
You can watch a pool go green in about 2.5 hours. That's how quickly that grows.
Just 1 gallon of 12.5% liquid pool chlorine in a 10,000 gallon pool will remove algae and prevent any additional growth. Another common type of algae to watch out for is yellow algae. It looks like a mustard powder or dust, and it likes to stick around steps, lights, and rails. Maintaining proper water chemistry, regular brushing, and adding HASA liquid chlorine weekly can help you prevent yellow algae from ever starting. But if it does appear, using liquid chlorine, brushing, and having the equipment running is a fast and easy way to remove it. Black algae, on the other hand, is much more stubborn.
Black algae is actually one of these algae that's afraid of the sun. It needs it to grow and become an algae, but then it buries itself under your plaster and starts to ooze its way under your plaster. Good chlorine levels, healthy pH, and consider a phosphate remover.
Black algae most commonly is in concrete gunite pools and appears in rough spots of the pool surface or in cracks or pitted areas. It can also form upon light rings, in corners of the steps, or along the water tile line where cracks are present. Brushing it off with a wire brush in concrete gunite pools only. Black algae can be very costly to deal with, so it's best to be proactive. Regularly brushing your pool, maintaining proper water circulation with the pool pump and filter, ensuring a constant level of 2 to 4 ppm of free chlorine, and shocking it with liquid chlorine weekly can prevent any algae growth. If you notice any of these types of algae in your pool, take a trip down to your local pool store or consult with a trusted pool professional. To learn more about the water treatment solutions we've discussed today, visit HASA.com or visit our website, designingspaces.tv.